Are you looking for the best drone under $100? In this video we will look at some of the best drone under $100 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. K19 MAX RC Drone. The K19 drone features a state-of-the-art aerial delivery system, allowing you to transport gifts to friends from a distance, unlocking innovative gameplay for all users. Allowing for easy operation and live HD video playback, perfect for both beginners and seasoned drone enthusiasts. With its convenient one-key takeoff and landing feature, the K19 drone guarantees effortless flight operation, making it perfect for both beginners and experienced pilots. Equipped with waypoint fly and optical flow localization, this drone offers precision navigation capabilities, allowing for automated cruising and flawless aerial maneuvers. The K19 drone comes with 2 powerful batteries, ensuring long-lasting flight time for your aerial adventures and allowing you to capture more stunning footage without interruption. Number 2. Lenovo XT606 MAX GPS Drone. The XT606 GPS mini drone features dual 4K HD cameras with 90 degrees adjustable angles, enabling multi-angle and multi-quality shooting, allowing you to capture crisp, detailed, and colorful footage. The wide viewing angle makes creation easier. This remote-controlled drone is equipped with a large-capacity 3.7V 1200 mAh battery, providing 20 minutes of flight time on a single battery and up to 40 minutes of total flight time, giving you plenty of time to enjoy the air. The drone, with a screen on the controller, features GPS positioning and is equipped with one-touch start/landing, optical flow positioning, altitude hold, smart follow, 3D flip, headless mode, 3 speed settings, and gesture selfie. This quadcopter drone will help you build skills and confidence, and is easy for beginners and newcomers to operate. The innovative 360 degrees intelligent obstacle avoidance module provides all-round protection. The drone automatically detects and avoids surrounding obstacles, effectively preventing collisions and ensuring safer flight. Number 3. LYZRC M66 Folding Drone. Featuring 3 cameras, the M66 drone delivers exceptional 720p HD video quality and advanced photography options, ensuring you capture every moment with incredible clarity. The M66 drone comes equipped with 2 high-capacity batteries, providing extended flight time for longer adventures and capturing stunning aerial footage without interruption. With its intelligent waypoint fly feature, the M66 drone allows for automatic navigation to preset points, enabling you to focus on capturing breathtaking imagery without manual control. The M66 drone is equipped with advanced active obstacle avoidance technology, ensuring safer flights by automatically detecting and navigating around obstacles in its path. Designed with user convenience in mind, the M66 drone allows for one-key takeoff and landing, making it easy for both beginners and experienced pilots to operate with confidence.